ki khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra ashapi taka net footage or dharma phi nginwan ra amangi hakhirdob ying jongpi
Dr. Inda Keolin Kharbuli, MBBS, MD, DM Nephrology. Ide Dr. Baningkong haga jilla jongi. Ibala pentibit yalade ban sumariya ki badan jingshitom ki khlai ki bam light penjahit bha ki baat ki kijan bat ki badan kam ban le dialysis. Wan ban yakendo yi ha Woodland Hospital dhan kheti Shillong man lakas ngina do ka por shipho baje min step shaneng. Ka MLA balasha suspend jong ka sang Congress ka Dr. Measel Ampareen Lyngdoh haga snit hoding jong ka santrik unai leber arajar arpoar kala ong babaro sangut ki MLA jong ka sang Congress kila kala long menta ki MLA Clemseng hadin makila syabe sang shipor haga sang Congress haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ka Dr. Ampareen kala ong ru baki sangut ki MLA kinam ai jubab shu halor ka jingpan jingpensai jong ka party halor ka jingai jingkershan ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Malayalam dengan National People's Party. Susu kalau ongru bekam kwa shu bandang yakren halor kene ke drama san perthai bat pensyai ru bamenta ka bor ka song ka Kongres la kan beseng lane kan shim de ka weipat ka rai persya ki sangut ki MLA.
My head is that okay, as an MLA it has always been a positive gain. Now, about my political stand, that is something which I'm trying to, renew, think about, decide. So it's not been easy. It will not be easy. But I have a very peculiar campaign model, which is unique to myself, where I go every door and I ask my people what is the way forward. So I know that whatever decision I take, 6 months down the line, it will be in consent and with the blessings of my people. But yeah, first day was a little unusual, like I said, like a new kid going to a new classroom. I was literally looking for my seat and saying, okay, where am I going to be sitting in this entire new arrangement? But it has been a pleasant experience this far. I've been able to reach out through many departments, taking issues that were left pending by me as an MLA, so I'm happy. And yes, there's no harm in saying I'm looking forward to this new partnership. Let leaders of any political party say anything. When my people elected me as their representative, let us get this very clear. Any leader will be ambitious of a good position. It is ridiculous for people from the outside to throw eggs at us and rotten potatoes at us when they themselves know that if they were in as lucrative a position as we are, we would all try to engage. So it is wrong for any party to say that it is sinister or anything. It doesn't matter. Let them interpret it the way they feel. The five of us are in a good position. We are in a position of authority. We are in a position of attention. We are in a position where officers are now looking at us and viewing our requests from a very different perspective. Now this will only be gain for the constituency and for the state. Doesn't matter which leader has what interpretation of this. We leave it to the wisdom. We are not engaging. Now we are free of political affiliation. 5 MLAs now remain suspended and therefore may be looked at as an individual group of 5. Likely we are now independent MLAs. So we have no high command who's going to come and pat our backs when we do something right, or any high command that's going to take our hand and say, oh gosh, you guys are in a dilemma. So it's okay. Let people say what they want, but my people know. Do not be disillusioned. You vote me as an MLA, I will try to be a minister. I will try to be in position for your good and the good of the state. Don't mess around with the ambitions of politicians, because even if you are not a politician, if you're a student, if you're a businesswoman or man, if you work in a certain industry, surely you want to reach the top. So where's the harm if politicians also want to reach the top? Is there any harm? Every man has ambition. Every woman is geared forward by ambition. So this whole nonsense about sinister design and plan, is a ridiculous ridiculous observation, and I have nothing to say about it. But we are here, and guess what? We're getting all the attention we were looking for, and I'm happy with that. To engage any further on this drama, somebody has booted us out of the party. Now, when you suspend a party man or woman, means you're showing them the door and you're saying bye-bye. What you decide in a press conference there and then to say, oh, we will call them back, oh, we will do this, is wrong. Every party is guided by its own constitution. So please, we are as literate and aware of that same constitution which we were members of for so long of our lives. Do not underestimate our understanding and our capacities to think. And if one person is doing whatever he wants to do in one party, that's also not our problem. Because suddenly we've become 5 free independent MLAs to do what we think is right for the people of our constituencies and the state in general. Because I will personally gain for my constituency. Did anybody help us when I was not being personally gained? What is wrong with everyone? I became an MLA by the blessings of my people. My people have a dream for me. Is it wrong for me to follow that dream? Of course. Why should we even deny? But we were offered positions. But you saw that I refused any position to prove it to the people firstly, that not everything is about a particular position. I would like to have a free hand of positions. I would like to help the MDA government project the good things it has done. Is there any harm in doing that? This would have been a good road for the Congress to go forward in 23, but they've rejected it. Now there's very little I can do about it. That is a decision taken by them. So you issue as many letters as you want to. This is a system. We function within the ambit of law as per the constitution of this great nation called India. So we are not doing anything which is illegal. And if there is anyone in any other party that says, oh no, I'm joining because I love this government and I don't want any personal gain, you're wrong. You're lying to yourselves firstly. And I'm not lying. I'm in a better position and I'm going to take advantage every moment that I can for every little thing that I deserve. No matter what they do next, the ball is in their court. Follow the constitution of your party and figure out procedures and processes. You do what you like. We are beyond your control. We have decided, the 5 of us, to go to a better place in the interest of the party. But if they saw otherwise, then we were in a place where we could not accept what they saw. We were in a place where we have 5 MLAs in an assembly. This is not parliament. And there is no NDA tag here. I think you've seen that. Reactions of political parties when we joined the MDA government. What did they say? We were not consulted. So which means that this government, if given an authority and has the correct numbers to take it forward, can take better decisions in the future.